Okay guys, so welcome back to another episode. In this one we were looking at a 60-cent stock, but actually we're not looking at a 60-cent stock because right now the price has rocketed up insanely over the past day. Guys, don't you just hate it when you make the thumbnail the day before and the share pretty much triples in price? Obviously that is a problem that we have with only penny stocks, but yeah, this stock is up insanely. We have many reasons for that. I do believe that Vanguard have just bought shares, and of course now they have closed an $8 million stock offering. Well, of course in tonight's episode we're going over all of that kind of good stuff and talking about why it's significant and what could happen in the future. If it sounds like a plan, please do leave a like and subscribe, as it does go a long way. But yeah, we're talking about all that great stuff just now, so of course I am not a financial advisor, but we are going to jump straight in. So guys, mainly looking over the past day or so, we can see absolute insanity as soon as the market opened. Honestly, it exploded in price from the price of, like I said, 65 cents, which was the time I was making the thumbnail, all the way up to a price of about $1. So of course, big enough increase there, but no, it wasn't a big enough increase, was it? Because it shot up again and again and again, leaving us on a close price of about $1.46. So obviously an insane gain. We're looking at over 126% increase on the past day, and of course it is understandable. Those two things by themselves are quite important and quite significant, and I think it will give people a lot more faith in the stock long term, because of course if a company like Vanguard is buying, it generally speaking does show that the company does have some strength with it, as Vanguard of course do heavy research, and of course Vanguard is a very well it's basically a very respected investing firm, so it does make sense that it has gone up. It's kind of like when ARK Invest kind of buy a stock and then it goes up, like what we saw with Nano Dimensions. Honestly, a similar thing could be happening here, but realistically guys, looking into the next day or two, I can see a bit of a sell-off coming, and I think that's reasonable. I don't think it's going to be too big. I think it might be about 60%, and I say that because obviously we are up over 130% almost, so if it went down another 60%, not too bad in my opinion. And I think, you know, that would be reasonable, being as we have seen such a big increase. I mean, looking at the actual market pattern for the last day, we can see that the move is just getting stronger and stronger as the day did progress, and at the end of the day we were actually up. So usually it does actually sell off once we see a big day like this, but it has actually gone up a little bit more. So yes, it could indicate 1 or 2 more days of strength, but honestly after that, or even in the next 1 or 2 days, I would not be surprised if we saw a bit of a sell-off, and then if I was going to be buying the stock, I would be buying it after that sell-off did occur. So realistically guys, I think it's a very interesting time for the stock. I'm very happy that a company like Vanguard has come and pick it up. I'm very happy that they have actually completed that offering, and of course more good things to come in the future. So of course we will be making a more in-depth analysis on this one in just a few days, but this one was just a quick look and a quick reaction over the past day, because I thought honestly guys, I was going to leave this upload for a day or two and make it in a future episode, but right now looking at the gains that we have seen only today, I thought this one had to come out today, because obviously my thumbnail wouldn't last any longer, and also I wanted to update you guys on the absolute insanity that has gone on with this 65-cent stock, now almost a $1.65 stock. So of course, a very big gains to be seen. Hope you enjoyed the quick video guys. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be talking you through this one a bit more in a future episode in the very near future. Thank you for your time. See you in the next one. Goodbye until then.